how to deactivate Instagram without waiting a week. Instagram only allows you to deactivate your account once every 7 days. If you have already deactivated your account and want to do it again before the week is over, there is a trick you can use. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the 3 lines in the top right corner, select Account Center, then tap Personal Details. Now, choose Account Ownership and Control. Next, tap Deactivation or Deletion. Seclet the account. Here, Instagram will show you that you can only deactivate your account once per week. However, there is another option. If you select Delete Account instead of Deactivate, Instagram gives you 30 days to change your mind. After selecting Delete Account, confirm your choice. Your account will now be in the deletion process, but it is not permanently deleted yet. If you decide to use Instagram again, simply log back in within 30 days. This will cancel the deletion and your account will be active again. This method allows you to take a break from Instagram without waiting for a full week. That's how to deactivate Instagram without waiting a week.